So this is a gorgeous beachfront community home being brought to you by Gina Isaacson Realty. So it's 2 levels, got a little step up. This was built in 1989. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And let's go ahead and start upstairs actually. Let's get to the good stuff. So come on upstairs. Got this beautiful living space with a wood-burning stove. This home is 1,521 square feet. Of course, the weather's not cooperating today, but you can see the ocean from here. The haze is kind of blending it in right now, but you do have a nice view from here. You will get the sunset views from each of these locations here. Got a nice expansive living room. Wood-burning fireplace. Makes it nice for those cozy, foggy summer evenings. And get into the dining area here. Dining area, it has its own deck. That's kind of nice. And I really love this kitchen. So the kitchen here is, this is some sort of luxury vinyl down here, I believe. But you got the stainless steel appliances, some nice countertops. I think these are like a granite or sort of a formica type covering. Really nice recessed lighting. And it does look down into the backyard, which we'll get into in a minute. But let's go ahead and go through the half bath here. You do get a half bath with this one, so that's kind of nice. And then over here you've got the actual primary or master bedroom, vaulted ceilings. It's got some newer carpet. And let's go ahead and go through here. Take you right into the bathroom. Beautiful walk-in closet actually. Good size walk-in here. Plenty of space and shelving here. Your attic access. I believe the furnace is located in the attic because I did not see it in the garage. But check out this restroom. This is really nicely done. Floors have been updated. Really gorgeous little counters here. Nice new sliding doors on that. So all in all, really a nice bathroom there. Let's go ahead and go over here. This is another nice feature I love. Obviously this home has ocean views, so always the thing you want is to be able to take advantage of those ocean views. So you'd actually be able to sit on your deck here and look out at the water, and you can see the dunes off in the distance as well as the water. So really nice. I guess I could zoom in on that for you guys, I think. Oops. Okay, we'll pass on that. Oh my god, I think I locked the camera up here. There we go. Let's get back in. Back to our regularly scheduled program. So again, nice vaulted ceiling here in your primary bedroom. So nice little touch. Now we're gonna go, oops. Now we'll go out into off the dining here. This is nice. Again, another little deck here that you get to enjoy. So it looks out towards Arroyo Grande. But over this way, even the deck has a little peek of the water out there. Kind of zoom in on that. So, not bad. But here's what I wanted to show you here. Check out this avocado tree. Actual avocados in it. Nice feature. I've been joking that just having the avocado tree alone makes it worth almost $1 million. And down here, you have this awesome little oasis of a backyard, but nicely done. Got a little storage shed here. Another little area here. This looks towards one of the bedrooms. Some outlets. But really cute little spaces that you've got. Look out here. Got this nice stamped patio. Nicely done. Some pavers over here. A swing for the little ones. And this actually goes all the way. You got your little side gate out to the driveway out front. And your water heater closet is here. And this actually takes you to the garage. Nice 2-car garage. Water softener. If you want to look, see the garage there. So not bad. And this garage here brings you into the lower. This was the entrance where we came in. And when you step down, you actually step down into like a laundry area here. What you got? So it's a nice area. And then you've got a kind of a coat closet, understairs storage here. So that's kind of nice. And then you've got 2 bedrooms down here. So total of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Again, really, really nice feature if you've got some young ones, or maybe we'll want to use it just for guests. And these look out to the backyard. So again, some really nice space for you here. And if you're looking for a beachfront community and a nice little getaway, this is it. And I love this tile work that's been done in the bathroom. Got some new counters and whatnot. So all in all, very nice home. I think it'd be a great addition as an investment for anybody, or a vacation home, or if this is your primary residence and you're looking for a nice place to settle down here in the 5 Cities area. This is Grover Beach. So you're located here in a great spot near all the amenities that the 5 Cities has to offer. Pismo Beach, Eisrael Beach, all nearby. So I want to thank you guys for joining us on our tour. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.